Alright, so welcome back to the channel and welcome to 2026. Here we are, January 1st, and the first video of the year is going to be here. It's going to be Middle Creek Falls Loop. It's right here in North Carolina, and it's right across the border, like if you were going to go up towards Sky Valley, right here on the side of the road. And Middle Creek Falls Loop actually has two waterfalls on it. You have Upper Middle Creek Falls, and then Middle Creek Falls is going to be the lower falls, and it's the more spectacular of the two. We'll say the hike down to Middle Creek Falls is a lot of straight down, so if you want trek poles, and be careful with the leaves and everything, real slick, hard to navigate if you're not careful. Would be a good idea as well to download the map off of AllTrails, because not only do you lose service, but the trail tends to disappear, partially because of the leaves and whatnot, especially coming back out. There are some tags on the trail, but they're far and few between, so just keep that in mind. We're going to go ahead and head down. Like I said, we're going to go to the Upper Middle Creek Falls first, and then Middle Creek Falls, and I have every intention to bring out the drone. I changed out the rotors, worked on it a little bit, so it's ready for 2026, and so am I. So thank you for coming back, and let's go see what the waterfalls look like. Okay, so waterfall number one wasn't real far away. Watch this edge right here. Hey, not bad. Might even be a little bit of a swimming hole down there. All right. All right, so that's the trail down to the waterfall we just were at. To keep going, we come back up, come up here to this point right here, and you can see, oh, sorry, you can't see because of the sun, but we parked right up there, and the trail splits off here to the left, and this will take us down to the next waterfall. So that one right there was the Upper Middle Creek Falls. We're gonna head down this way now. All right. Oh my God. I can tell you the trail to the second waterfall here, not to be underestimated. It feels like Bigfoot country. Just half the time I was losing the trail completely. But I'll say it was worth it. Hang on, let me get up here so everybody can see it better. Oh, and this keeps going down too. I don't think I can get to that though. All right, hang on. There it is. Middle Creek Falls. Wow. Yeah, that the hike down to this waterfall, it's straight downhill and it is thick. So keep that in mind if you're coming. You got to go back out. All right, awesome drone footage, finally. I will say all I had to do was replace all 4 rotors, and since then the drone's been perfect, real smooth. So I'm gonna start using it a lot more often, especially when I have these big open spots where I can get it above the canopy, and when I remember to charge the batteries. Those are 2 key things we learned for 2025, go figure. But I'm gonna wrap it up here at Middle Creek Falls. Really enjoyed it. Keep in mind, it is a straight down hike, so you go down, you gotta come back out. Just take your time. It was worth it. And I thank everybody for coming back in 2026. If you enjoyed 2025, I'm gonna do more this year. I'm gonna try to do a hike a week. That's my goal. So we'll see how it works out. Thank you everybody, and I hope your new year starting off as good as mine has. Have a great one.